Alright, so just like clockwork, Apple has now started another beta cycle for their next major update set to be coming to the iPhone. Today releasing iOS 26.5 Developer Beta 1. Yes, we now start a new beta testing cycle. iOS 26.5 first beta is here. And of course, in this video, we're going to go over everything that's new within this latest update. Now, keep in mind that public beta testers, you'll most likely see this populate for you within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now the download, as you see there, a little over 8 gigabytes of a download, meaning we're overwriting the entire operating system once again. Let's head on over into settings, general, about, and take a look at the latest build number for this one. Right there it is, iOS 26.5, the latest build number, as you can see right there. Obviously, we have plenty of betas to go before this software is officially available to the general public. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's new within iOS 26.5. Now, aside from iOS 26.5 Beta 1, Apple also released iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, HomeOS, tvOS, and visionOS 26.5 Developer Beta 1, all available to registered developers as of today. Alright, so first I want to talk about what's on everybody's mind, and that is, has Apple updated Siri with iOS 26.5 Beta 1. Now, unfortunately, with iOS 26.5 Beta 1, there's no signs yet of the next version of Siri. Keep in mind, the latest rumors suggest that Apple has shifted all the new focus into iOS 27, including the next version of Siri. Now, iOS 27 will be releasing later this fall. However, Beta 1 should be available on June 8th at WWDC. So hopefully by then, we'll see a glance of the next version of Siri. So right now with iOS 26.5 Beta 1, I'm sure a lot of you guys were wondering, we do not have any updates to Siri just yet, or no updates to Apple Intelligence. However, I have noticed two changes happening with this latest update so far, and one of those changes has to do with search in settings. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes when you search something in settings prior to iOS 26.5 Beta 1, it was hit or miss. Sometimes it will give you the results, sometimes it wouldn't. Now, I've been testing this on this latest update. Let's say I want to search for RCS messages right there. Now it populates everything properly, and I've tested this with other inquiries that I've tried on other updates, and they don't populate properly, and it looks like Apple is fixing this issue with search and settings with iOS 26.5. At least based on my testing, this is as accurate as it's been since the release of iOS 26. Now, speaking of RCS messages, for some users, RCS messages encryption was available for iOS 26.4. However, in the official release of iOS 26.4, some users lost this option, including myself, and it looks like it's back. Apple is now testing again RCS end-to-end encryption, as you can see right there, in messages with this latest update iOS 26.5. Now, there's some small updates coming to Apple Maps within iOS 26.5. So if you open the Maps application and tap on the search bar here, you now have a new suggested places option that populates here in Maps within the latest iOS 26.5. A minor updates to the Maps application, but very useful. It will make suggestions based on previous searches. Now, in the EU with iOS 26.4, Apple added a new feature called notification forwarding, which support notification forwarding for third-party wearables. And it appears that with this beta, iOS 26.5, that notification forwarding feature is back on my device here in the US. You see there one device. I can select the device and right there show messages and notifications for third-party wearables, as notification forwarding may be coming to the US or perhaps globally with iOS 26.5. Now, on a quick side note, after nearly 18 months of wait, Apple AI features, Apple Intelligent features appear to now be rolling out in China, and it appears that iOS 26.4 may be required to gain access to Apple's AI features built into the device with Apple Intelligence. So yeah, after months and months of waiting, it appears that Apple Intelligence is now finally rolling out for that region. Now, aside from that, I haven't noticed any additional new features and changes with this latest update. Obviously, I'll continue to dig around the software. If I find any additional new features and changes within iOS 26.5, I'll be sure to follow up with another video. Obviously, stay tuned here to the channel and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. That about brings it into this video. Again, iOS 26.5 Beta 1 now officially available to registered developers. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.